Hi, in this video, I will be showing you on how to add link on your Facebook story. First is open your Facebook application and make sure that you are logged in to your account. Click on Create Story. Now select any photos from your gallery that you want to upload in your stories. For this video, I will be choosing a random photo from my gallery. And then click on the stickers icon, which is the first option from the menu seen in the top right corner. Notice how the link icon is not present in this menu. In this case, you need to visit your Instagram application. Close the app. Now locate your Instagram application and open. Now click your Instagram profile icon, which is located in the lower right corner of your screen. Then click on your profile icon, which will direct you to your photos. Now select the image that you wanted to post in your story. Select the sticker icon, which is the third option located on the upper right corner of your screen. As you can see, the link is already present in the menu. Click on the link, then paste the link, and then tap on Done. You may resize or rotate the link on your photo by dragging using both fingers to resize or rotate. Now, if you're satisfied with how the photo in your story will look like, select the white button on the lower corner of your screen and click on Share. Tap on the Share button right beside the Facebook story. By doing so, the story that you have posted in your Instagram application will also show in your Facebook story. And then tap on Done. Now go back to your Facebook application, refresh your Facebook feed, and tap on your story. You will see that your story in IG is also posted in your Facebook story. And that is all. Thank you and have a great day.